Hi there, class, and welcome to Nursing 471. I am Paula Bull. I will be your instructor for this course, and I wanted to welcome you and give you a brief overview of the course. I hope some of you had summer classes because you would have been on our new learning platform, Brightspace D2L. I am going to hunt for a video to send you to help you orientate you to that. In some ways, it's easier than Blackboard, but trust me, I am still learning, and I'm sure you will be too. So you be gentle with me, and I will be gentle with you. So we're going to start right here at 471. As you can see, when you come to your screen, if your courses will be listed here. This is the concepts, leadership, and management. And if you click on that, it will take you to what I call the chiclets or the widgets, and the major categories will be here. For example, when I finish this, the orientation will be here. If you click on syllabus, rubrics, and assignments, it will take you to here. But it's also over here under content. And so from the course homepage, you can get where I just got by clicking any of these, or you go to content. And there you'll have all of your content. So the way I have this organized is there will be this orientation video, and then the very next place is the syllabus, and that will contain your syllabus and an addendum from me. The key to succeeding in an online course is communication. Email, I have put my info in the course. I text, but if you text, please tell me your name and what course you're in. And so I'm here to help you succeed, and I don't mind you contacting me, email, text, or phone call. If I'm not available, I will get back to you within 24 hours. Here, if you click on it, first you click on this for the syllabus. And you'll have your syllabus here that will open like this. I'm not going to go into it. And then if you go back to the same place you'll have the addendum isn't there. That's the problem. Well, I will post it there before you get this. Okay, so we'll go back, and here's your activity guide. In addition to the syllabus, the activities and assignments, will be right here. And this is kind of like, I won't say your Bible, but it's a guide to the major assignments. And I opened it, and I don't know why it's not opening. So I used to do these recordings, and then I would go in and start over every time I made a mistake. But I think it's important that you know that I'm human just like you. So anyway, if I stammer a little bit or make a mistake, we'll correct it. We're just all human. So here is the schedule for this fall of 2020. And as you can see, here's the module with the weeks. These are the topics we're going to discuss, and these are the introduction, the learning exercises, your major assignments due. Remember that sometimes syllabi get adjusted because of problems like the coronavirus, I'm sure has impacted you in other classes and different things like that. So this is the syllabus or this addendum to the syllabus for this course with your due dates on there. You need to post in the discussion board by Wednesday of the week. We're going to go back and maybe I'll just go over this. So every week you will have a discussion board. Some weeks you will have a learning exercise. Other weeks you won't. I would recommend on the weeks that you don't, that you start working on your paper. Don't wait, because like QSN is on module 2, and don't wait till module 3 because you have a draft of your introduction and you have a learning exercise. And I would not wait until you get to week 3 to cram all that in. So if you've had a lighter week, you are going to have time to work on your major assignments. So I don't have it listed, but I'm doing it now. Every week has a discussion board in there, and I will update this before you get there. So on your discussion board, you only need to respond to one person, but you have to post by Wednesday, and you have to be in this present on 2 different days. So if you post your answer by Wednesday, you have until Sunday to make a reply to one other student. We typically have 2 replies, but with the coronavirus, I thought maybe everybody could use just a bit of a little break here, and we'll see how it goes. But the idea is to have an interchange between all of us on this, all right? So getting back to the course, under the syllabus and the activity guide, this is the text, and all of the rubrics for all the major assignments are in here. So when you click on the rubrics, you'll get all of them popped up. They are also listed alongside the assignments with their due dates. But if you want to get a jump on the course, I would recommend opening and reading all of the rubrics, particularly for the first week, your discussion rubric. So here are your modules. You click on that and it expands. And if you go to module 1, which is this week, you will see that I have this divided into activities and then assignments. So this week, I want you to start working on your preceptor packet. Part of this course is ensuring that you are ready to take 472, which will be your practicum. If you click on here, you will go in and you can open and download all of these to your preceptor. And there's criteria for preceptors, and I have that posted. And you need to be looking for someone in a leadership position who is not your immediate supervisor that will precept you in Nursing 472 for the hours that you need. So when you go into this, you also will have each module will have your learning objectives for the week, and then you will also have your activities. So this should hopefully match what you have on your sheet. But for the first week, I would love for you to introduce yourself in the discussion board, read chapters 1 to 3 of the text, complete learning exercise 1.14, and complete discussion board. Start thinking about the topic of CUSIN for your paper. See page Roman numeral XIX for a listing and description of the competencies, and that will help you pick your topic. And we'll have further conversations about your topic. So then after you do that, here's a PowerPoint for each of the chapters that you can review, and then here is your discussion question. Discussion question 1 is here. If you go to this, you will get all of the discussions. Plus, here's where you can talk amongst yourselves. And this first week, I would really appreciate a short introduction from each of you. There are only 4 of you in this class. And so we should be able to work very well together. So going back to modules, and that, remember, is under content. You can peruse this for every module for every week. So for the orientation, get started, go through all of these things, take a look, and see if you have any questions, see what things first pop into your head, and let me know if you need anything. I look forward to getting to know each of you better, and thank you for being patient with me.